I let these bananas get way too long.
bacon. All the fat that I can get out of this is what we're going to be using to cook all of our vegetables in. So I'm getting the onions going first because they take the longest to cook. For protein, I'm using sirloin. You can use any cut of beef or chicken would do, and get this all going in a wok. Introduce your cabbage, season with some soy sauce, a little bit of garlic, zucchini, and any other seasonings that you like at this point. I'm finishing off with some ginger before introducing the star of the show, the black bean paste. You're going to have to fry this in a good amount of oil for a couple of minutes to get rid of that bitterness. Finish it with some beef stock, a little bit of a cornstarch slurry to thicken things up. Finish it with some sugar and ginger powder. Everything else is optional. I'm just adding MSG and oyster sauce. This dish is a little sweet, super savory, and just perfect to have a big for you. I'm certified this is optimum cooking traditionally with a table flavor like this.
Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos, 1/4 cup milk, smash, keep smashing. Now, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Stir. Then you're going to want to put 1 Oreo in there, sink it below, and have it covered with that stuff. Microwave 1 minute. Guys, you need to make this. Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos, 1/4 cup milk, smash, keep smashing. Now, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Stir. Then you're going to want to put 1 Oreo in there, sink it below, and have it covered with that stuff. Microwave 1 minute. Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos. Guys, you need to make this. Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos, 1/4 cup milk, smash, keep smashing.
Have you ever tried making a Japanese